Damask Rose Extract has anti-aging effects. Research shows that damask rose, Rosa damascena, extract scavenges free radicals, thus hindering the aging process. A study has found that our damascena extract shows antioxidant activity by inhibiting the production of active oxygen species, which can damage cells. Our damascena extract prevented 10% of the cell death caused by stress in human hair follicles and showed an anti-wrinkle effect by protecting against ultraviolet-induced photoaging in the skin. Therefore, it has the potential to be used as an anti-aging cosmetic agent